Are you tired of the default Photopea fonts and want to use your own custom fonts? Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to import custom fonts in 2025. And I'm giving you my free pack of 35 plus viral YouTube fonts so your designs instantly stand out. So the very first thing you want to do is go to photopea.com and click on New Project. The size does not matter, and click Create. Go ahead and get your text tool on the left side of your screen and just type in font for now. Hit that check mark and hit Control Alt and T. Grab one of the boxes and scale it up. And I'm going to center it just so we can see it. Now double click on it and go up here to the top left. You can choose a font. Now typically you would just find a font in the left side. These are just Photopea's default fonts. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to import my own custom font. So we need to find one. Go down in the description and go to my website. Then go to Shop and find my viral YouTube font pack. Go ahead and type in how much you'd like to pay. You could do 0, you could do however much you want, and click Get Now. Once you're here, click Checkout Now and click View Content and then click Download. So now the pack is downloaded and it's on my computer. Now what we want to do is we want to extract it. So right click on it and click Extract All and click Extract. It'll open up the extracted folder. Now we can just double click on the folder and find the font we want to use. I'm going to be using Lemon Milk right here. And I'm going to be using bold. So go ahead and drag that into Photopea and click OK. So now if we go and try to choose a font, we type in Lemon Milk and here it is. The bold version is in Photopea now.